What's up, my dudes, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to check out some awesome Johnny Lightning cars, all of which I found on eBay, as right now the pegs are bare in my neck of the woods. But first, I want to show you guys this awesome thing I bought a long time ago and never really showed you guys. This is Ken's Custom Fuzzy Dice for 124 or 118 scale cars. And I cannot wait to put these on one of my vehicles. I've had these forever, I kind of forgot about them, but those are really neat. All right, let's go ahead and start cracking open some brand new Johnny Lightning cars. Starting with this one right here. You guys may or may not know, I love Trans Ams, especially this body style. Was super stoked to find this one. And it looks like there's about 8,900 of these in the world. And I was lucky enough to pick up one of them. Alright, here we go. And there it is. There's the beautiful, beautiful Trans Am. Got real rubber tires, of course. Metal on metal. Got some BF Goodrich tampos on the rims. Now, I would have liked to have seen the snowflake type rims on this car, but it's all good. Got the TA 6.6 there on the shaker. Trans Am right there. Headlights look great. Pontiac logo looks good. There is the Phoenix. Beautiful red interior, black steering wheel, T-tops, of course. 77 bird on the plate. Awesomeness. Very cool. Let's go ahead and crack open the hood. Well, I tried and tried, but this hood does not want to open, which is unfortunate, but oh well, we'll live. This car is very beautiful. It's gonna go right there for now. And of course, Johnny Lightning, so you know it rolls nicely. All right, let's see here. Next up, we got one of my favorites. Brand new release from Johnny Lightning. We got the Zingers from Street Freaks. Pick Me Up. Now there's 13,800 of these, way more obviously. Great metallic with lime flames. It's awesome. You guys probably know by now I love purple. I love old square body trucks. So this was a no-brainer. All right, let's go ahead and crack it open and let's check it out more closely. There we go. We got us a little trading card. Pretty cool, actually. All right, and here is the truck itself. Awesome. That grape purple metallic paint looks really cool. Big blown engine. Flat black engine bay. Nice grille. Cool Cragger rims and some red line tires. Reminiscent of the old school. Oh, check this out. What does that say? Rudy's Green Flame. Awesome. 8-1. Tailgate drops down. I forgot about that. Very cool. Oh, doesn't want to stay up though. There's our wild suspension. Metal base. And then these pieces are plastic. Yeah. Black interior. Very nice. Chrome handles. Green flames. This is a badass truck for sure. Very cool. So rad. All right, let's put that one right there next to the bird. And let's see, next one up, we have another one. This time, it's much more limited. Only 4,800 of these. It's the Rat Fink version. Awesome. Got my scissors, gonna crack it open. Be right back. All right, here we go. Got it busted out. And there it is. Look at how cool. Ed Roth, Mr. Rat Fink himself. Awesomeness. And just in case you didn't see it before, it's a 1980 Silverado. Oh, so cool. RF1 Rat Fink, the crazy winged eyeball on the back there. Drop down hood with Rat Fink on it. Got our little buddy right there on the roof as well. Awesome. And again, another blown engine. A little bit different though. I like that they didn't use the exact same one. And also the headlights are different due to the year difference. Awesome. So cool. Cracker rims again, but this time just regular black wall tires, same base. This time we got a white interior, which is so cool. I love that. Yeah, I really love these crazy Zinger trucks. All about them. In fact, I brought a few more out just in case you guys didn't see that video where I busted these open. These are so cool. Looks like the Trans Am's outnumbered now. But yeah, look at all these awesome Zinger trucks. Awesome square bodies. Look at that. How rad is that? That's so cool. Absolutely love these trucks. Let me know what you guys think about these trucks in the comments section down below. And yeah, that's pretty much the video. In case you're new here, my name is J-Dog, and I post diecast videos once or twice a week, more or less. And if collecting little cars and trucks is your thing, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the video. And I'll catch you dudes next time.